Hey, hello guys. Thank you for being with us. We are very happy with you guys. And remember, it's Gaptech Interior Designers. And we always promise to bring you good things, as we tell you. And we always promise to bring you the stage by stage when we do any construction of any project under our company. So this is a very good company that provides information on how you can do. You can even learn on how we are doing construction, and therefore we are very happy. So we are here on our three bedroom project that we just showed you when we were doing the setting out, when we were doing the excavations, and when we were doing the foundation. We also told you when we were doing the slab work, when we were doing the walling, and when we were doing the ring beam. We've been bringing you through all over this project, and today we are done with the wall masonry. That is the block work, that is mason block work that is above the lintel. Now this is we are done with the wall masonry, which means our house is now ready for roofing. But before we bring you to roofing, we wanted to give you to get to the actual sizes, shapes and types of the rooms that we are having here, and also show you the good design that we did. So at the front now, here we already have the materials. You can see that we are very ready for roofing. We have the iron sheets and the iron sheets from the Nyumba company. And yes, sometimes we prefer Nyumba company, but we have so many companies that we can work with. And we already have our timber here. It's just to wait for the working. We already have the material. This is the fascia board. So when we are doing roofing, we do everything so that nothing that will be remain. So we have the fascia board here, and inside our store we already have our products. This is the preservative materials that will be used to preserve the timber, the wood that we are going to use. Now you can see the type of the building that we have done. You can see the arches. They are very smart. They are looking very neat. You can see this is the new design for arches that we are bringing now in construction industry. And you can see it doesn't have any weight, it doesn't contain any weight that can maybe bring the structural issues, that can maybe bring the cracks because of stress. And therefore we have a good design for arches, and it also brings a good beautification into a building. And this is, we are still outside and showing you the upfront of the house. This is the upfront, or the approach, when we are getting into the house. And now here we'll be doing the pavement, we'll be doing the steps that will help our house to look more beautiful. And therefore we want to get inside our building and show you how we did last time. And guys, remember that this is week 2 of this work. And as I enter here, this is the main entry. So this is the main entry. We are going to put the steel door here. Here is where we are going to put the steel door. And you can see how standard we do our columns. Well compaction, well rationed materials, everything is in position. Now I want to move you through this building. And sorry, there is water lodged something in there. Now this is the opening. This is where the access for the entrance is for the sitting room. So through this place you are able to enter the sitting room. You can see that we are using the same arch that doesn't contain any weight that can bring stress, any structural stress. So this is the arch that we can enter, and it is high enough to make sure that it doesn't hit the head of any tall person, because we have given the maximum height for the taller, not unless maybe there is an abnormal person. Now this is the sitting room. So we want to tell you this is the sitting room. And you can remember we showed you since when we were doing the foundation. Now we did the slab, and now we did the walling. We were just showing you the sitting room all round, and now we are done with the ring beam. we are done with the wall masonry. So we are only left to show you about the plastering, the key finishing of this house, and also the roofing that we're going to do. So we have given you all the element properties and whatever that deserves for this building. So as we move now, this is from the sitting. We go now through the main entry, main corridor, going to other rooms. So there is an angle here, 90-degree angle. There was a room here, but we had a suggestion that it becomes a guest room, and now because it's going to become a guest room, we decided that it will have an entrance outside, so it will be entered through the outer door. So we don't have a door here, but it will be accessed from the outside. Now we have an angle here, 90 degrees, that can facilitate us to access these other rooms. So as I'm standing here, there is a room here which is the bedroom for the kids, and we have another room here. This is the bedroom for this is the master bedroom. So let's enter into the master bedroom. We did curing, and it rained a bit, so you can see maybe there is water there was water lodging here, but this water is just it just rained, and maybe it water lodged. Now this is the master room, and you can see how big it is. You can see how it is looking, and we're still bringing you good news about these rooms, about this building. So this master room is ensuite, and it has got its toilet. And you can see this toilet is also spacious enough to contain the toilet and bathroom. So this is the toilet and the bathroom, and it has got a window for good ventilation, light, and maybe placing some other essential materials there during the appliances. Now as we move from the sitting room, master bedroom, I want to show you the children's room before we get out for the other room. So this is the children's room. Is also wide enough. This is the children's room. It's also wide enough, so you can see how it is looking. So this is the children's room. It's not ensuite, but it's very spacious to contain beds and also the wardrobes and other things that it's required. Now this is the two rooms I've shown you: master bedroom and children's room, and also the sitting room. Remember that this house doesn't have kitchen and dining. It doesn't have kitchen and dining, so it has got 3 bedrooms. So master bedroom, bedroom 1 for the kids, and also the guest room, which it has got 1 access, that is from the outside. So we are going to show you that from the outside. Before we give you other elements. So sorry, because we have some water here. Okay, thank you, very important. Now we want to get so this is, we are now going to the guest room. We are going to the guest room to enter it. So we are going there. So as I am standing here, this is the guest room. It has got its access from here, because the client decided that all the guests should be entering from the outside, so should be accessing the house from the outside, because they are non-staff for the building. Now we want to enter the guest room, and our guest room, remember, is not ensuite, so which means they'll be using the external toilet and bath. So this is the guest room. So you can remember, this is the guest room, which is very spacious. It can accommodate 2 beds, that is 5 by 6 beds, and it can also have the wardrobes. It can also accommodate other furnitures that are required in the building. So remember, this is a 3-bedroom, and we have shown you the bedrooms that are within here. We have shown you the master room, and we have also shown you the sitting room and its components and how it is wide. Maybe before we complete our video, we have some other projects that we started outside there. I wanted to show you, so that we tell you how committed we are when you award us this work. We want to show you our commitment to your work. So you can see it's good design, and we are also doing good work. And remember, for us to prevent the dampness, we must put the DPC. So we have the DPC here, which is 10 millimeter gauge DPC, to prevent the dampness that is from the ground to follow our our wall, maybe through osmosis. Now we are going to show you another project. So here at the back we had a space here, and now we said that because we have this space here, we are going to manage this plot so that we don't waste the space that is there. Now, because that we are not going to waste, we had a septic tank here. So we have built a septic tank. It's very hidden, nobody can realize where the septic tank is. So we have a septic tank, but it has got access, maybe in case there is maybe emptying, exhausting the waste in future. We have given an access, at least 1 meter wide access. And we are also having another project here that's going on. This is a toilet and a bathroom, which is also spacious enough for the external appliances, and it's also going to be put slab. That's why you see this formwork. We are going to have a slab. We are going to reinforce it's going to have a roof slab, whereby we are going to put a 3,000 liters tank to make sure that there is enough and sufficient supply of water to every part of this compound. Now that is what we are doing so far. We are doing multiple projects. So here we are running the building. Here we are running the building. After running this building, we are also running the toilet. After running the toilet, we are also running the septic. And remember, these things are going on concurrently. So we are doing concurrent works to make sure by the end of this project, this client will be able to enter into his house without maybe doubt or maybe waiting, because we had given a period of 27 days and we are now in the 14th day of this work, whereby we are already on roofing stage, and we already have our toilet there. So by the time we'll be doing plastering, maybe it can take around 3 to 4 days, and maybe painting and other small things. In the next 14 days, we promise to bring you good news from this compound. We promise to assure you that this client will be having a good home, will be having a very beautiful home. So you'll be seeing how beautiful work that we're going to do. We always do our finishes, as you can see from the video, and we are there. We are proud of what we are doing, because whatever we are doing, it gives us market, and we also beg for good markets. You can market us, and we are also asking, there are so many people from online, maybe good engineers, who can be able to give us, criticize our work. You are allowed to criticize our work, maybe the size of the foundation, the height of the foundation. You can also see maybe anything that you can see from the videos that we cast. Please, we need your criticism so that we can also be we are also able to know where we are going wrong, or maybe whatever that we are not doing good. But so far so good. We love you, our fans. We are really seeing that you are pushing us, you are getting us, you are giving us to be somebody, and we will also promise to do good work. We will also promise to do, and through this work, remember, there are so many people getting jobs. There are so many tables serving food. There are so many people hospitalized, that the hospital bills are being paid. There are so many people at school, their school fees are sorted out. There are so many people getting sorted out their bills. We get youths. We have a youth here. This is a youth. It's called Geoffrey, and he's doing good work. And he has been with us since the beginning of this work. And he can give testimonies, maybe to somebody else, how this company is benefiting. We have also a mason here who is doing very good. It's called Paul. They are good people. They can testify how our work is good. So the more you give us work, the more we also expand to give youths work, and we are all youths and we benefit. You know, the economy nowadays is very tough, and we are very happy that we are doing good work, and through the good work we benefit all, and we share the small that we have. So don't forget to follow our videos, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, and also give your comments. And for us, maybe if you want to get us, maybe I can give my number, but there is another number that will be displayed down there. You can get from whatever, so you can reach this number 0768 730 282 0768 730 282. So that is the number that you can get, but there is another number that will be displayed below the video for you to get to know what is going, and for you to inquire for consultation and for everything. Remember, we have a group of engineers, group of architects, group of electrical engineers, group of plumbers, every kind of construction we have through this company. So we are very happy and welcome again. Bye.